Yes. Namaste, my dear children. A warm welcome to English class. Dear children, friendship is the most precious gifts in our life. Friends are those who help us, understand us, and enjoy with us. We know many people, all are not our friends. We should choose our friend carefully. A good friend lead us on good path. Bad friend spoil our life in different ways. So children, today I am going to do the English lesson Two Friends. Two friends. Okay children, now you have to open your English reader book, page number 34. I think you have opened the textbook. First of all, Unit 3, Two Friends. Before starting the lesson, there will be a riddle. I am going to read the riddle. Let us begin. Answer the riddle. Clue has given children. Rearrange the letters to find the word. End of the riddle, they have given the letters. We have to arrange the letter and we get the answer. See children, I am a worm. I live on a farm. I am the friend of a farmer. I make the soil fertile. Who am I? So, it is a worm. It lives in the farm, children. It helps the farmer, isn't it? So, it makes the soil fertile. So, you identified maybe there will be a picture. The picture of what children? See, they have given some letters. So, I will read the letters. MROWHTRAE. So, we have to arrange the letter from the right side. EARTHWORM. So, that picture is earthworm. What is that children? Earthworm. So, this is the picture of earthworm. In Kannada we say erehulu. Okay. See children, now I am going to read the lesson Two Friends. Everybody point out your finger on the words. Repeat after me. Two friends. Two friends, Rohan and Sohan, were passing through a forest to reach Mohan's house on the other side of the forest. Talking to each other, they slowed down and did not realize that they had to leave the forest as quickly as they could. Going under the trees, they suddenly heard thumping steps behind them. Though both of them felt there was someone behind them, they could not see anything. Soon they saw a bear chasing them. Both of them were afraid. Rohan, who was the leaner of the two, ran fast and climbed a tree. There were not many trees of the type this hefty Sohan could climb. Moreover, he didn't know how to climb a tree. As Rohan had already climbed the tree, there was no help from his side either. Realizing that he had to help himself, Sohan stood and thought for a moment. He remembered that he was earlier told that if he was still and made the animal think that no living beings was before him, bears would go away. He lay down and pretended as if he was dead. His parents had told him that bears do not attack dead creatures. The bear came up to him, sniffed Sohan's still face, and thinking him to be dead, went away. Page number 36. When Rohan saw the bear going away, he climbed down the tree and asked Sohan, "What did the bear whisper in your ear?" He said, "To me, never travel with the person who leaves you behind in the hour of need. Isn't it good?" replied Sohan. Dear children, you too have the friends, isn't it children? So such friends, Rohan and Sohan, they were very close friends, best friends. Okay, they were walking in the forest, it seems. One day what happened? In that way they met the bear, but Rohan escaped from the bear by climbing the tree, but Sohan did not climb the tree. So he made an idea, but Rohan did not help his friend Sohan. So we have to choose our friend carefully. First of all, I told, isn't it children? We have to choose our friend carefully. They have to help us, isn't it? They have to understand us. So children, now I am going to explain this. You have to look at the textbook. Two friends, page number 34. Two friends, Rohan and Sohan. They were the best friends, close friends. They were passing through a forest to reach Mohan's house. Maybe their friend's house. Mohan is their friend. So they were passing through the forest. What were there in the forest? Many trees, isn't it children? Many trees will be there. Then what are there? Different animals, birds, isn't it children? So they were passing through a forest to reach Mohan's house. After the forest they reached the whose house children? Mohan's house. Other side of forest, whose house will be there? Mohan's house will be there. Where? Other side of the forest. Talking to each other. Who were? Sohan and Rohan. Talking each other, what? They slowed down and did not realize that they had to leave the forest as quickly as they could. Isn't it? It was long journey. They were passing through the forest. They were walking through the forest. But each of the children, what? They were talking. They were talking. So they were slowed down and did not realize what they have to reach whose friend's house as earlier. Going under the trees, they suddenly heard thumping steps behind them. Suddenly they heard a noise, thumping step. Thumping means walk heavily. They heard a big noise, isn't it children? So though both of them felt there was someone behind them, someone is following them. So they heard that noise. They could not see anything. They turned back and saw around, but they did not find anything. Soon they saw a bear chasing them. Suddenly they saw a bear chasing them. Next, both of them were afraid. Both of them were afraid. They scared children. Rohan, who was the Rohan was leaner boy. Okay. What he did? He suddenly climbed the tree. He was leaner. Rohan was leaner, so he could climb the tree. He climbed the tree. There were not many trees of the type this hefty. So, what happened? Such strong tree was not there. He climbed the tree. Then Sohan could not climb the tree. Sohan could not climb the tree. He was strong, but he could not climb the tree. Hefty means strong. What is this? Hefty means strong. He could not climb the tree, children. So, moreover, he did not know how to climb a tree. As Rohan had already climbed the tree, there was no help from his side either. Rohan could not help Sohan. So, realizing that he had to help himself. So, what Sohan thought? I have to save my life. Now Sohan thought, I have to save my life. How to save? Sohan stood and thought for a moment. He got an idea. He remembered that he was earlier told that if he was still and made the animal think that no living being was before him, bears would go away. What? Bears, what they do, children? They won't attack for the dead animals. So he lay down and pretended as if he was dead. What? Pretended means to act. Pretended means to act. He acted like dead animal. So he slept on the land. So he slept in the forest. His parents had told him that bears do not attack dead creatures. Creatures means what, children? Living being. Any living being is called a creature. So the bear came up to him. That time bear came there. Rohan is in the where, children? Tree. He climbed the tree. So he is in the tree. But Sohan could not climb the tree. So he slept on the floor or in the forest. So the bear came up to him, sniffed. Sniffed means what? What we say in Kannada? Moosuvudu. What we say? Moosuvudu. Sniffing through the nose. All the animals do like that only, isn't it, children? Dogs or cats. Sniffing through the nose. Sniffed Sohan's still face and thinking him to be dead. What? That bear thought he died. This boy is died. It is dead animal. Who thought? That bear thought and went away. Next, children, page number 36. When Rohan saw the bear going away, he climbed down the tree and asked Sohan, "What did the bear whisper in your ear?" Who asked? Who was in the tree, children? Rohan was in the tree. He climbed down. After went away, which one? Bear. Rohan came down. He climbed down from the tree and he came near Sohan and asked, what did the bear whisper in your ear? Something it said, no? What it said? Whisper means speak very softly. Speak very softly. It is called whisper. So, Sohan told with Rohan, he said to me, never travel with the person who leaves you behind in the hour of need. When you want the help your friends, if they won't help you, you don't make his friendship. You don't make his friendship. So that bear told, who told? Sohan told with the Rohan. Isn't it good? Who asked? Sohan asked with the Rohan. This is the story, children. So we have to make what? We have to make good friendship. Okay, children? We should choose our friends carefully. Starting only I told, good friends shows the good path in our life. Bad friends will spoil our life in different ways. Okay, children? Children, now I am going to read the new words. You have to repeat after me. New words. Friend. Friend. Number 2, afraid. Afraid. 3, realize. Realize. 4, chasing. Chasing. Number 5, sniffed. Sniffed. Number 6, earlier. Earlier. Number 7, suddenly. Suddenly. Number 8, quickly. Quickly. Okay. Now I am going to read the meanings. Repeat after me. Number 1, creature, any living being. Number 2, thump, walk heavily. 3, whisper, speak very softly. Number 4, pretend, to act. Number 5, hefty, hefty, strong, strong. Dear children, I hope you have understood this lesson. Dear children, read this lesson to friends daily at home and write these new words 3 times in your homework book and write these meanings also 3 times in your homework book. Okay? Thank you, children.